From the minds of the think tank, with over 60,000 hours of tutoring, teaching, and math instruction, comes a groundbreaking new program aimed at solving a different kind of math problem, learning loss. Dr. Matthew Miklius, a former Northwestern engineering professor with over 17 years' experience in the education industry, has observed a very real challenge: the unprecedented math learning loss students have experienced from the global pandemic. Thus, he mobilized his team, and the Fill the Gaps initiative was created. This proprietary program teaches the building blocks of geometry, algebra, pre-algebra, and statistics via an online platform that provides students with weekly assessments targeted at the fundamentals. Each quiz builds upon the previous one, while circling back through the most crucial skills. Once completed, every question is accompanied by guided video tutorials from Dr. Miklius that walk students through the problem while reaching the core foundations of each discipline. A student's progress is tracked, not only identifying important challenge areas for the individual, but also providing teachers and administrators with regular progress indicators, clearly identifying core areas for development at a classroom and school level. The think tank's goal is to partner with you to overcome the learning loss experienced by millions across the country, enabling your students to excel in an ever-changing learning environment and to form the pillars for their future academic and personal success. Join us in preparing the thinkers of tomorrow, today.